So I found this really cute mirror at the Goodwill for 99 cents. And I thought this would be perfect to kind of spruce it up and bling it out. So I brought these little blingy sticker stuff from the Dollar Tree, and I also decided that I probably want to put it up more diamond shaped than square. So I'm going to move this hardware to the corner if possible. And yeah, so we'll see how it turns out. And it looks beautiful. I love the way this mirror turned out. I have decided not to change the hardware into the corner after all, so I am going to put it up as the square shape. Also, I have another idea that I wanted to work with it. I have this wall planter thing, and so I decided to bling that out also at the top and then at the bottom there. And I bought these little floral foam pieces to put inside it because I'm going to add some flowers. So we will see how this all turns out. And here is the end result. I love it. I feel like it turned out perfectly. This is a corner in my glam room. Funny thing is, I dropped that darn mirror. I was heartbroken, and I put it back together, and it doesn't look so bad. It still looks really good. So thank God I was able to save it. And I had some bling left over, so I put it on my little clock there.